Good morning, dear children. Yesterday we learned about the Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq. We seen the differentiate in both the kings yesterday, and we learn about the administration during that period. How the administration was worked during that period in both the kings' reign. That we seen yesterday. We seen where the soldiers are they kept where soldiers were living in the garrison town during that century, and some soldiers are living in the Siri, the part of the Siri in Alauddin Khilji's dynasty, and in the Muhammad Tughlaq dynasty we seen ki in the four cities the soldiers are living, and who were living those peoples were living in that four cities or four villages. They shifted over in the Bengal. This we seen yesterday. Now coin minted also we seen yesterday. Now we are going to proceed forward. See the first in this list means yesterday what happened in this list of Muhammad Tughlaq's perivers. We sometimes forgot that for the first time in the history of the Sultanate, a Delhi Sultan planned a campaign to capture a Mongol territory. Means now the Delhi Sultan planned about to capture the Mongol territories so that he increase his army also. Okay, then unlike Alauddin, defensive measures, Muhammad Tughlaq measures were consecutive as a part of military offense against the Mongols. Means here we can say कि अलाउद्दीन जो थी अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ऑलवेज इन द डिफेंसिव मेजर्स मीन्स वो खुद को बचाना चाहते थे और अपना जो टाउन है उसको सेव करना चाहते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने खुद से जाके मंगोल से फाइट नहीं किया. बट जो तुगलक थे, मोहम्मद तुगलक जो थे वो अफेंसिव टाइप के थे, अफेंसिव नेचर के थे कि वो खुद से जाके उन्होंने वार को चुनौती दी. तो सो दैट दिस वॉज बोथ द डिफरेंस इन बोथ द किंग्स. नाउ द एंडिंग दिस इज टुडेज पार्ट इज द एंडिंग पार्ट ऑफ आवर लेसन. द सल्तनत इन द 15th and the 16th century. सल्तनत कैसी थी 15th and the 16th centuries. तो टेक अ लुक एट टेबल 1 अगेन. You will notice that after the Tughlaq, the Sayyid and the Lodi dynasties ruled from Delhi and Agra until 1526. So when we start our lesson, that time we seen one table which is given there. So in that table we can see that till the 15th century all the dynasties were upon the Delhi. By then the Jahanpur, Bengal, Malwa, Gujarat, Rajasthan and the entire South India had independent rulers who established flourishing the state and prosperous capitals. Means see, till the 15th and 16th century there were the Delhi were in under of that both the kings. Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq, they were the leader, they were the king during that reign in the Delhi. But after that, or at the same time, in the 16th century, some kingdom was developed, and they developed in the southern part. So among that kingdom, Jaunpur was there, then Bengal was there, then Malwa was there, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the entire South India had independent rulers who established flourishing state and prosperous capitals. Means here different kings we found in the different cities or different realm, and they flourish their kingdom as means what they want, how they want to flourish, they flourish their kingdom properly. Then this was also the period we saw the emergence of the new ruling groups like the Afghans and the Rajput. In the same period we found कि the origin of Afghans and Rajput was there. Means same period में क्या हुआ, अफगान्स भी आए और राजपूत भी आए. The some of the state established in this period were small but powerful and extremely well administered. Means they established their state then. देयर स्टेट वॉज सो पावरफुल एंड जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था उनके स्टेट का दैट वॉज ऑल्सो वेल एंड गुड. शेर शाह सूर started his career as the manager of a small territory for his uncle in Bihar and eventually challenged and defeated the Mughal Emperor Humayun. What happened? जो शेर शाह सूर है, शेर शाह सूर ने किसको डिफीट किया? हुमायूं को. once a minute. See here, शेर शाह सूर started his career as the manager. उसने अपना करियर मैनेजर एज अ मैनेजर स्टार्ट किया इन द स्मॉल टेरिटोरी, एक छोटे से किंगडम में. उसके अंकल जो थे वो राजा थे वहाँ के बिहार में. एंड इवेंचुअली चैलेंज, और उसको चैलेंज किया एंड डिफीटेड किया गया बाय द मुगल रूलर हुमायूं. हुमायूं ने शेरशाह सूरी को डिफीट कर दिया. शेरशाह सूरी कैप्चर्ड दिल्ली एंड एस्टेब्लिश हिज ओन डायनेस्टी. देन शेरशाह सूरी ने दिल्ली पे अटैक किया और दिल्ली डायनेस्टी पे उसने राज्य एस्टेब्लिश किया. Although the Sur dynasty ruled for only 15 years, it introduced an administration that borrowed elements from Alauddin Khilji and made them more efficient. So Sher Shah Sur also a good king during that period. He having a good administration. So that he followed which king? The Delhi Sultanate का जो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी है, his administration he followed. Who? Sher Shah Suri followed the Alauddin Khilji. So that his administration is also very nice and well and good. So Sher Shah's administration became the model followed by a great emperor Akbar when he consolidated the Mughal Empire. तो शेर शाह सूरी का जो राज्य था, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था, इट वॉज वेरी बिग एंड पावरफुल. तो उसका जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अकबर के द्वारा फॉलो किया गया. अकबर ऑल्सो फैसिनेटेड टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द शेर शाह सूरी. गॉट इट हियर? ओके. So this is your ending part of this chapter. We seen here the kings from the which century we seen from the 11th century to 16, 15, 16 centuries kingdoms we seen in this chapter. Okay dear children, today I am sending you some of the SAQs. I am sending today the lesson from the beginning to till SAQ, and tomorrow I will going to share with you the LAQ. Got it? Thank you.